Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alexis. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, Mercari. I sell to buy-sell trade stores and I sell mainly on ThredUP, and today I will be talking about changes on the ThredUP website that you won't want to miss or be behind on for the year 2022. I just got over being sick, so if I'm looking or sounding rough, that is why. However, I'm back at my parents' house and I wanted to make good use of my time here, so I read a lot of ThredUP articles so you don't have to, and I'm going to break down what's new. Let's get into it. First, you might have heard that the reward system is changing. Unfortunately, if you have points on your account, we have no idea what's going to happen with them. Today was your last day to use those old points. January 10th, though, there will be a new point system. We have no idea what's going to happen. However, I will link the article below where it states where it shows kind of like a sneak peek of what's going to happen. So on that website, it says thrifting tiers. It appears that there's 3 tiers that you can kind of spend money to increase your tier. First tier is star, second tier is superstar, and then third tier is VIT. The star is your standard, what we have now. You spend $79 and you get free shipping, like a 20% off annual sale, and it says and more, whatever that and more is. The second tier is, I'm looking at my laptop. The second tier is a superstar, spend $200. Okay, I have no idea if this includes spending on rescue boxes. Those are like a whole nother separate thing. You can't spend your credits on those. You can't use your points to buy rescue boxes. So I have no idea if the rescue box will continue to contribute toward this, like these levels or not. Anyway, we'll see. Okay, so spend $200, free shipping over $59, free shipping over $59, 30% annual sale and early access, exclusive events, and more. And then the VIT, whatever that means, very important thrifter, that's what I thought it meant. Very important thrifter, you'll get free shipping over $29, which is awesome. 35% off annual sale and early access, exclusive events, and more. So you have to spend $1,000 to be in the very important thrifter tier. However, if you're a reseller and you source online through ThredUP or you buy rescue boxes, I know I've spent well over $1,000 in rescue boxes. Which tier you'll be in next year is based on your spend in 2021. So we're gonna start off the year strong in 2021 if you have spent $1,000. We'll see how this plays out. ThredUP does not have very good organization, I will say that. So a lot of people who had bundles, their bundles got cut off early at the end of this month. They're not rolling over into the next year. It just says start shopping, blah, blah. We're gonna have birthday rewards. We don't currently have any birthday rewards. It just says you're gonna get a either free shipping or $10 credit as a gift in 2022. So it says add your birthday to your account before December 31st. So they're saying in 2022, they're gonna hold more sustainability events, I guess, sustainable fashion, retail, lifestyle, those type of things. So I'm guessing that's like, and more. They're saying guest appearances, so we'll see what that is. Engaging roundtable talks. I don't know, but I feel like a lot of these changes are for buyers and I don't see much for sellers. That's really what we are demanding. There's not a whole lot for sellers. I'll speak on sellers in a minute. Okay, so this just says free shipping. The higher the tier, the lower your free shipping threshold. Superstars must spend $59 for free shipping, while VITs only need $29 in their cart. Then there's going to be a huge annual sale for everyone, early access for superstars and VITs, and then there's just going to be a bigger discount for those people. There's going to be point multiplier events. So there's going to be events where you can purchase something and then get more points. The new reward program doesn't make sense currently. However, it just says you'll get $1 point for every dollar you spend. Any points carried over into 2022 will be adjusted. So if you have 100 points, it will now be converted to 10 points. For every $10 spent, you get 100 points, and now it's going to be 10 points. So $1 equals 1 point, which I think makes more sense. However, what we'll be able to spend these points on is unclear. But it's seeming like your points will still be available to you in the new year, we'll say. So like I said, there doesn't really seem to be much that we can know of what these points are going towards. We'll find out mid-January, and I'll probably come back and make a video about that. This is something that I am actually really excited about for the new year. This is a huge leap for ThredUP. I'm hoping this will help the seller community. I make most of my money on ThredUP. I make most of my money on ThredUP partner kits. However, I would love to consign with them, but the processing time is like insane. It's just not worth it to me to send it in and sit on inventory for months, and then a lot of those things do get lost, and then ThredUP ends up like either ThredUP loses money or I lose money, or like to me sitting on inventory is sitting on money. Like I could sell these things faster, which it kind of defeats the whole purpose of ThredUP. Like they're doing the work for me, so I would like for it to be faster, like 3-week, 4-week, 5-week even, like that's fine. But like we're talking about 20 weeks, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months to process kits, and that to me is just ridiculous. What can we do? Okay, so this one I haven't heard too many people talk about. ThredUP is opening a new flagship distribution center. Right now, they have Pennsylvania warehouse, they have Georgia, and they have Arizona. Now they're going to have a flagship area in the Dallas, Texas area, and it's going to be huge. This warehouse is supposed to have 10 million items. It's going to be the largest warehouse of them all. So I'm assuming in the new year, we're going to have rescue boxes coming from them. A lot of stuff is being sent to them. I'm really excited for people in that Texas area who don't have to necessarily send everything to Georgia anymore. That will be hopefully a breath of fresh air if this operates correctly. So they're expanding by 150%. They're opening up 2,000 jobs. They're planning on launching in the second quarter of this year. So probably around like April, March is when this warehouse is supposed to open. They're letting in, I believe they're letting in like 500,000 items at first to like start. They're creating 2,000 jobs. They're gonna hire like 300 people on at first. It just says it's going to be the most automated distribution center. I don't know what that means. It's gonna be 600,000 square feet. It just says Lancaster, Texas. Here in Pennsylvania, we say Lancaster, and the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. They are investing $70 million in capital to open this new building. Who knows? The co-founder and CEO of ThredUP, James Reinhart, says this newest distribution center underscores our relentless investment in the technology and software that powers our network and enables us to deliver resale at unparalleled scale. If you look at the numbers of Q3 and Q4 for ThredUP, insane, which is why we're asking what's going on for the sellers. Without the sellers, you don't have a lot going on. I'm really excited about that, and we'll see. Okay, for the ThredUP resellers, I assume most of us know about the partner kits already. They renamed that whole like partner kit system resale as a service, RAAS, and it's trademarked. It added to the group Madewell, Farfetch, Michael Stars, Crocs is a new one, and then Rent the Runway, Adidas, like Adidas Give Back. So they're adding more to those, which I'm really happy about, which makes me believe they're not going to stop that service in 2022, which I know like here and there I was nervous about it because a lot of people are opting for that and the boxes get processed faster through that. I'm just not computing in my mind why we can't get consignment boxes processed faster, and I'm hoping with the new warehouse that will be a thing. So yeah, I guess we'll have to wait and see. I'll come back with a new report. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Yeah, so that's the ThredUP news for now, and I guess time will tell. So January 10th, look at your account for your new rewards, but don't be scared because they're not going to disappear. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Like and subscribe.